Hello everyone. Today we will discuss nucleophilic substitution reaction. Nucleophilic means nucleus loving. Substitution, it means those substitution reactions who are initially activated by initial attack of nucleophile. Here nucleophile means any species which has a pair of electron or species with negative charge. Since they are having a pair of electron, due to which they mostly attack at electron deficient center. For example, let's consider we are having this haloalkane, and here it is treated with sodium hydroxide solution. Here we are getting CH2OH. Now when you are going to write mechanism of this reaction, here this sodium hydroxide will provide Na plus and OH minus, this base, and once this base is formed, here you are having CH2Cl. Since here inductive effect is not so prominent, therefore as OH approaches from back of leaving group and this chlorine starts leaving, and there is formation of intermediate, where formation of old bond and removal of new bond and removal of old bond take place, and as a result there is formation of, here we can easily observe that inversion take place. Once our reactant is dextroform, in that case leoform will be the product, and vice versa. This is because here in initial state, as soon as this base approaches towards the carbon chlorine bond starts breaking, and there is formation of intermediate transition state, and here two molecules, the base as well as haloalkane, participates in Slowes state, and this is the reaction, this is the reason why such nucleophilic substitution reactions are called second order nucleophilic substitution reaction. SN2, here this reaction follows SN2 mechanism. Order of this reaction is 2. When you are going to write order of this reaction, here rate of this reaction can be written as K base and RCH2Cl. It means rate of reaction depends on change in concentration of base as well as with haloalkane. This is the reaction, this is the reason why order of this reaction is 2. This is second order reaction, and it is known as SN2 reaction. S for substitution, N for nucleophilic, 2 for its order is 2. It means bimolecular nucleophilic substitution reaction. Now take this example. Here we are having 3 alkyl group, and under similar condition, what will be the product formed here? Here, because of the 3 alkyl group, in initial state or the first step of the reaction, this haloalkane undergo heterolytic fission of carbon chlorine bond, and as a result there is formation of Cl minus. Carbonium ion is formed. Once this carbonium ion is formed, here OH approaches from front, and as a result there is formation of tertiary. Here this step is slow step, and easily we can see that here in slowest step only change in concentration of haloalkane is involved. Therefore, we can write rate of this reaction as K times RCr and Cl only. Therefore, order of this reaction is 1. Therefore, this reaction is known as SN1 reaction. SN1, unimolecular nucleophilic substitution reaction. Now let's consider some other example. Here, if you are having such type of haloalkane, this primary haloalkane is there, and we are treating it with, let's consider sodium ethoxide, then what will be product formed? In presence of alcohol or sodium ethoxide, this undergo either by SN2 mechanism or by SN1 mechanism. If reaction follows SN2 mechanism, there will be formation of ether only, and when reaction proceeds by SN1 mechanism, there will be formation of alkene. Now let's see how mechanism can be written. Here, sodium ethoxide will provide Na plus and base C2H5. And now here, in first step of this reaction, as here O minus C2H5 approaches this carbon and this bond starts breaking, and there will be formation of intermediate stage, that is transition state. Here, breaking of old bond between carbon and chlorine and formation of new bond. Here C2H5, not OH, and once it forms, again we are getting here C3C, here CH2O, C2H5, and here C1. Here in slowest step, this step is slow step. Here we can observe that rate of reaction depends on change in concentration of this haloalkane and this base. Therefore, when you are going to write rate of this reaction, here rate can be written as K times O C2H5 as well as C3 this haloalkane, and therefore order of this reaction will be 2. This is SN2 mechanism, bimolecular nucleophilic substitution reaction. Now let's take the same haloalkane. Here we are having base. Now, because of the presence of the 3 alkyl group which pushes electron forward towards this, in first stage formation of carbonium ion take place, and because of the formation of this carbonium ion, once this carbonium ion is formed, here alkyl methyl shift take place, as this is primary carbonium ion, and as this positive charge will reach here, it will become tertiary carbonium ion. Since tertiary carbonium ions are more stable as compared to primary carbonium ion, therefore isomeric change take place, and as a result there is formation of this carbonium ion take place. As soon as this carbonium ion is formed, because at adjacent carbon atom, here number of hydrogen is 2, here 3, here 3. Lesser number of hydrogen is present at this third carbon atom, therefore removal of proton from this carbon atom take place. Now once this tertiary carbonium ion is formed, because of the number of hydrogen at this carbon atom is less as compared to remaining carbon atoms, therefore removal of proton from this hydrogen take place in presence of this alkali base, and as a result there is formation of alkene, and this alkene is formed here. This here rate of reaction can be written as K times therefore we can say that order of this reaction is 1. This is SN1 reaction, unimolecular nucleophilic substitution reaction. This is how we can write mechanism of SN1 and SN2 reactions.